Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 818746. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the NZXT H440 in white. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Corsair Hydro H60 liquid cooling unit that is cooling an Intel Core i7-4790K processor. Beside that, you have 16 GB of 1600 MHz RAM. For your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 970. For networking, you have a 150 megabits per second network adapter. And finally, for sound, you selected the ASUS XONAR DGX 5.1. All your components have been installed on an ASUS Maximus 7 Hero motherboard. For lighting in the system, you selected a single white cold cathode. Powering your system is an 800 watt power supply, and for storage you selected a Samsung 850 EVO 250GB SSD, along with a secondary 4TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, PS2, HDMI, optical out, DVI, VGA, USB BIOS flashback button, 4 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the antenna for your wireless adapter, and the ports for your graphics card. You have 3 display, 1 HDMI, and 1 DVI. Now when plugging in your monitor, please do not use the ports on your motherboard above. You want to use the ports on your graphics card below. And below that we have the ports for your sound card. The same thing applies, you do not want to use the ports on your motherboard, but you do want to use the ports on your sound card below. And at the very bottom we have the switch for your cold cathode. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, your 250GB SSD along with your secondary 4TB hard drive. In System Properties, your Intel Core i7-4790K processor with 16GB of RAM. And in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 970 graphics card, your 150 megabits per second network adapter, and your ASUS XONAR DGX 5.1 sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Heaven. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.